from that floor. You see the hump? Just go ahead and feel up your butt. You probably won't make it there. You look at the floor, it's got a pretty good hump in it.
Talk to me about that stagger. When you stagger on that joint.
Typically don't want your screws right across from each other.
Gotcha.
Okay? It's called snake eyes.
Snake eyes?
Snake eyes. Looks like snake eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah. You typically don't want to do that. You want to stagger them. Now these are a little far apart. But if you stagger them, it's a better joint than it actually is. It's kind of deceiving where the screws are.
Gotcha.
Okay? You want them about 8 inches apart. These are closer to 11 inches. Okay? They should be 8 inches apart. These are a little long, whoever did that. They've got it backwards. See what I'm saying?
Okay.
So it should be every 8 inches, but they should stagger. And this should be 12.
What's up?
The other way to do this, just cut down. You can back cut. Okay?
Gotcha.
This one's even easier.
Okay.